people can't seem to even look at you in the eyes because you can see straight through them. Listen, it's somebody today that can't even approach you, nor can they confront you, nor can they look at you because you can see straight through them and they know you can. I want you to listen to this too. That some people think that we're straight dumb, like we're not intelligent, like we're not in the real world, like we're not having the same struggle, like we're not out here and we can't see what the devil is doing. And I want you to know this, that some people in high places pretend to be relatable. They pretend to know what you're really going through. They pretend to have your best interest and they know they ain't about nothing. I want you to understand this too, because you can see through them. See, it used to be that you probably thought, what is going on? What is wrong with me? Why is it that certain people that I'm really like feeling, really want to be acquainted with, really like, but for whatever reason, they won't connect with me, no matter what I do to be cool. I mean, I'm not going out of my way. I'm just being myself. But the reason why they don't come towards you is because they know they can't play with you. I want you to understand something. People feel comfortable around people that are not awakened. They feel more comfortable around people that they can pull the wool over their eyes. They feel more comfortable around people that they can gaslight, manipulate, mislead, and lie to. Because I want you to understand this, and I'm not trying to be mean, but the majority of the people are not like you. You are intelligent, and because of the Spirit of God that lives on the inside of you, you are smart. You can smell a rat. You can see foolishness from a long way off. And I want you to understand something, that when you have that on the inside of you, leading you and guiding you and directing you the way that they be doing, them folk don't want to deal with you. They don't want to even look you in the eyes because they know doggone well that you can see through their foolishness. They know you can see through that foolishness. I don't care how eloquent you are. I don't care how good of a speaker you are. I don't care how you may be able to work a room. I don't care what you're saying to me. The only thing that we really care about is the bona fide facts and the way that we have been living our lives over here. It doesn't matter how cute and how relatable that you try to be, but I want you to understand something, baby. We can see through the mess and we can see through that foolishness. I remember I used to want to just get along with folks. I mean, as chosen people, we just want to get along with people. We want peace in our environment. We don't want no drama in our environment. We don't care about all that foolishness. We want to live happy and just be at peace, be able to enjoy our lives. But I want you to understand something, that them folks that can't look you in your face, they don't want you to enjoy your life. They don't want you to be at peace. They don't want you to have normalcy. They want you to be living in dysfunction, broke, busted, disgusted, depressed, on medications, and some of everything else, because they care more about money than they do about people. Please hear me when I'm telling you that. Please hear me when I'm telling you that. See, the problem is, let me tell y'all something. The problem is that the devil is exposed, and he can no longer hoodwink us as human beings. He can no longer hoodwink chosen people. See, he didn't ever want you to be free in this environment, have confidence in this environment, break strongholds in this environment, be loose in this environment. He always wanted you to be just shackled up and burdened down and heavy laden. He never wanted you to be free in this environment. See, freedom starts when you feel it in your heart that you're free. It doesn't matter if you're going in a job every day, but if you feel it in your heart that you're free, guess what? You are indeed free, because as we feel on the inside, baby, we radiate that on the outside. The angel will grab that freedom, baby, and begin to work in the environment for you. And then the next thing you know, you are free and you real loose up in this environment to really bring about change. Because I want you to understand something real quick. These folk don't care nothing about us. Please hear me when I'm telling you that. I can't even. Do you hear me talking? We're smart, baby, and we are intelligent, and we can see through garbage. Period. I don't care what people have to say. We can see for ourselves. And that person, those folks don't want to talk to you. It ain't because there's something wrong with you, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with you. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's everything that's shown up right with you. The problem is you cannot be played. You cannot be manipulated. You are not moved by materialistic things. You don't care how somebody can flex and milk a thesaurus to make it sound real good up in your face. Baby, we are into character. We're into the way that we're living our lives. We're into the harmony and the peace that's in this environment. We're into the things of God in this environment. We're here to bring about change in this environment. We're here to raise the level of spirituality in this environment. We are here to reconcile a lost world back to the Most High in this environment. And we are men and women of God that are fishermen. We're here yanking souls up and reconciling them back to God. And because of that right there, that right there about you, that one thing right there about you is why they can't look at you. So as you go on about your day-to-day, baby, I don't even want you to worry about it. If they won't call you, fine. If they won't reach out to see how you're doing, that's okay. If they just left because they just weren't feeling you, good. If they talk about you, even better. If they try to do everything they can to block you where you could never be blessed, good. If they're doing everything in your environment to try to keep you down, that's even better. Because I want you to understand, baby, that the devil don't mess with something that he already's got. The devil ain't messing with something that he ain't already got. The reason why he messing with you and creating all kind of hell up in your life is because you got what he want, and that's the spirit of God on the inside of your soul. And the reason why them folks don't talk to you like they used to talk to you no more is because you can look at them and you can see the devil on the inside of their soul. And I want you to understand they can't look you in your eyes because they know they wrong. They know they ain't right. They know they ate up with evil, and they know that no matter what they say, you can see through them. You may not have been able to see through them yesterday, baby, but God has given you wisdom today. And you can stand there 10 toes down and look the devil in his eye. And every time you do, they don't do nothing but flee. In the name of Jesus. And until the next video, guys, peace. Because I still be believing in you. Bye now.